This man was eating Maggie, but then he noticed that a part of a post was missing. So, see what he did, he placed a mold near the post and filled it with noodles. Then he glued them and quickly sanded them so that they could perfectly match the shape of the post. He added some texture and then started painting the noodles. He used super detailed strokes to make it look like the post, and after that, he added some dirt on the post and rubbed it to make it look more natural. But he wasn't finished yet. Then he picked up all the remaining pieces around the post and threw them in the trash. How did you like the final result? Please let us know in the comments.